This slideshow presentation was about basic Excel, and the overall presentation was really good. And this slide's not bad as far as the design of the slide. It's not overcrowded. The information is good. The topography is good. It's very readable. The graphic seems to be sized properly and placed okay. I'm not sure about the angle of it, and it's a little bit close to the text, a little bit distracting. But the subject of the graphic is, it took me a while to figure out even what it was. I'm trying to relate it to sorting, and I kind of see that it's a hat, but it took me a while. I really wasn't sure what was going on here. Then I made the connection that this is the sorting hat from the Harry Potter movies, where they sorted the students into a particular house of Slytherin or whatever else. I'm not a huge Harry Potter fan, but I did enjoy the movie. And while there's a connection between sorting and this sorting hat, it is certainly not directly related to Excel. So this graphic violates the coherence principle. A much better graphic would have been maybe a dialog box or a screenshot of the sorting command or the sorting dialog box. And that's what I put into my improved slide, was the sorting dialog box. In this second slide, the graphic is behind the text, making the text much more difficult to read. It's a distraction, bright orange. The slide is a different font than the previous one, so there are some typography issues of consistency. The slide's pretty full of information, although it's probably right at the balance of how much information is too much, but it is somewhat difficult to read. And certainly the graphic doesn't really relate to Excel. The only connection I can make was when I read it. It says this is where the heavy lifting is done, which is the formulas and the math purposes of Excel is where the work is done. But this graphic relates to the work and really doesn't relate to Excel. Again, a much better graphic would be maybe a screenshot or a dialog box that relates to formulas, and that is what I did in my my revision of it.